Yeah. Guess where we're going? You wanna go see Chucky? Chuck E. Cheese and have some cheese pizza and play games.
Don't lie to her. We are not having cheese pizza.
What are we having then? Pizza.
At least pepperoni on it, at least.
Here, Bowen. I'll get you fixed up for Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese, Chuck E. Cheesy. Put your shoes back on. Does she need socks for there?
I don't know. We'll bring some just in case.
We need to get her socks. Look at your hair. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay.
Well, we gotta go straight there. I gotta change.
Oh.
Who's the big girl?
You said change already.
Kinsley. Kinzo.
She's looking at her face.
She was looking at it earlier when I picked it up. Kinzo. Kinsley, look at me.
Look at Daddy. Her is getting big. Look
Big
at
girl. I think you grew way too much during that nap.
You did. I think you did.
No more naps for you if that means you're gonna grow. I want you to stay little.
Okay, let Daddy get ready then. Thought you looked ready.
I don't know. Not when y'all look so pretty. I can't be wearing this.
Kinsley, what are we doing? Are we at Chuck E. Cheese? Look, stand up here with Chucky.
It's okay, she'll get it. Hey, everybody.
Hey! Hey! Good slide. Woo! Go back around. Daddy. Whee! Are we at Chuck E. Cheese? Sit her in it first.
Oh, is that the rule?
Yeah. She loves watching him up there. Oh my goodness. Kinsley! Wow! This is Bob the Builder. Bye!
On the tractor. Don't go too fast. Look at that head over here.
Hey! I want to eat over there. She likes watching him. Bye-bye.
Hey, get his nose.
Oh, goodness.
Hello, kids. This is a pizza survivor. And I'm a little from the pizza loving host. Who is the most? Now, how do you play pizza survivor? If you can survive eating my delicious pepperoni pizza, then you are
Kinsley, give him a hug. Kinsley, give him a hug.
She doesn't really know who Barney is.
She loves this show. I'm hungry though.
Oh, she likes that.
Yeah, she does. Look, free ticket.
Go around and
It says follow me, free tickets. Look, there goes Chucky. Look, Kinsley, who's that? Look this way. Everybody.
look at the mouse. Look at the big giant mouse. It'll scare you.
A giant mouse.
Look. Here he comes. Bye, everybody. Bye, girls. Have fun. Uh-oh, Mom's gonna start dancing. Start dancing. Oh yeah. Nana must play that for.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Break it down, girl. Now kid, now kid, now kid. What a dancer. You got the moves. You got the moves, Kinsley. You got the moves, girl. Go to the phone.
Kinsley, is it your first time at Pizza Inn? At Chuck E. Cheese eating pizza? Yummy. Dad, what do you think?
Good. Might as well be my
Having fun? I know, first time Chuck E. Cheese pizza. Yum. She likes watching all that up there. That guy.
Concert.
Concert. Kinsley's concert. What's Daddy? What's he doing? Is he playing a game?
I had my first two.
Woohoo! So go, Daddy, go. Go, Daddy, go. Woo! You're so cute. Come on. Going around again. Baby, hey.
That was a good one.
Cheese.
Hey,
Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese. What's she staring at?
A boy on the.
Let's go over here. Let's go see Chucky. Woohoo! Does it really take a picture or does it? Right? Kinsley! Take your picture.
Kinsley.
Look at her, looking at him. Give him a hug and a kiss. Oh.
All right, she got away from us. She's putting trash in there. I want to try to get the high score on the football thing. I can do that too. Well, that people was on
How
it.
many seconds do we have?
Good bit. Kinsley, bye-bye. Whoa, where's she going? Where is she going?
Have you got any tickets at all?
Yeah.
Are you checking out around Chuck E. Cheese?
at Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, the end of our first.
Kinsley's.
Okay, so our first adventure to Chuck E. Cheese. Your thoughts?
It's what I expected. A lot of people there on a Saturday night. We shouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
But she did good.
She had so much fun.
She really did. I didn't think.
Let's see how Kinsley back there. Did you enjoy your first Chuck E. Cheese? Yeah. Yeah. She's wore out.
So are
anyway,
we.
So what?
It went good.
Went good.
The pizza wasn't so.
And she rode on a ride that I rode on when I was little.
Yeah, that's probably the coolest thing.
My brother have a picture on it, but it doesn't work anymore, the picture. You're supposed to be able to take a picture with Chuck E. Cheese on it. And okay, so I wanted to show y'all this.
They had that. It took one token. That was pretty good.
One token to get this awesome Chuck E. Cheese picture. She did so good. She was the only one looking at the
She's the only one that was looking in the right spot. So
yeah.
She taught us something today. And she made a couple friends.
Yeah, she had a lot of friends.
Like out of it.
Sorry.
You gotta tilt it.
Whoa.
Tilt it up.
Like this?
We're gonna get it ready. Alright.
You just watch the road, don't look at the camera.
Well, I had to tell you how to do it.
But anyways, yeah, she made lots of friends. That's fun.
It's probably the youngest one there. Still.
Yeah.
That had the toddler section.
Yeah.
And she
That'd be
didn't
cool
get
if
to see
Kinzo
Chucky.
was sitting right there in the middle.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Now she wants the camera. Okay, we'll see y'all later. Bye.